Hello friends, welcome to BISP solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this video, we are going to learn how to create approval groups. An approval group is a set of users that can act on workflow tasks. You can set up tasks so that at some point in the approval flow, they get routed to an approval group instead of an individual user. An approval group can contain other approval groups. What it means a task is assigned to an approval group either in parallel participant or in serial participant. Let's see one by one. When a task is assigned to an approval group in parallel participant, someone in group can claim the task and act on it. When the task is claimed, no one else in the group can act on it. But if an person who claimed the task releases it, then someone else from the group can claim it. If it is a serial participant, then the task is routed to each member of approval group in the sequence. So everyone must act on it. So there are two types of groups in workflow. One is approval group that you can use in task configuration to define routed, and the other is elder group that are available for user to select when they allocate to reassign tasks. But it is not recommended to use elder group. So there are not any predefined approval group. So it is up to you if you want to create any. So let's create one approval group. So let's move on to the application. Click on the setting and action. Click on setup and maintenance. In functional area, click on application extension. In task area, click on all tasks. Click on manage approval group. See, approval group window is open. Now, in order to create a approval group, you have to click on create approval group icon. Click on that. Let's enter the name of the approval group. Let's enter BISP. Let's add one member on it. We add two members. See, add to group. In add to group, you can add a user, single user, or you can add a approval group. I go with the single user. So let's search for the member in order to add in the group. Okay. See, the user is added. Let's add it one more. Click on plus icon. Click on that. See, both member are added to the approval group. Now I have done my entries. Now click on save button. See, the approval group saved successfully. Okay. Now see the first one. The first one is BISP approval group. Click on that. Here is the approval group which we created. So this is how you can create an approval group in Oracle Fusion application. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.